Hey everybody, Heather from Pickin here. I've got a huge box and a medium-sized box that we'll be unboxing in today's video. You'll be able to find all these products right away at hookedonpickin.com. These are from a wholesaler that I order from, Diamond Visions, and I love to order from this particular wholesaler because I can usually continue to replenish good selling items, things that sell over and over and over again. I can replenish them, and so we're going to find out what's inside these boxes. They may be things that are already on the store that I was running low on, and then I believe I have some new products in here, so keep your eyes peeled, look for the new stuff, and go to hookedonpickin.com to buy them. But let's see what's inside these boxes.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below.
All right, I can't wait, so we're going to do the big box first. So we'll see what kind of fun things. Now, I bought anything from toys to household items to home decor from this particular wholesaler. And so, oh my word, this is amazing. It's a giant Among Us popper. I believe they refer to this as a spaceman popper, but it's the Among Us one. Look, aren't those amazing? Those are fantastic. I just want to sit and play with them. They're a really good, they're kind of the fidget spinner, fidget cube type of thing. All right, these have been selling like hotcakes for us. I'm going to set it down here and we're going to open the box and show you what they are. These are amazing. These are dinosaur squish balls. Oh, sorry, there's taped on the side. I didn't realize. And you can pick your color and your style. So see how we have a red T-Rex here? And then this one, or that's a red Triceratops. And this one's a T-Rex. And then this one's a Stegosaurus. So you can pick your color and your style of dinosaur. But look at them, watch. How weird is that? They have the little Orbeez in them. So you just squish them. So they have teal, brown, and red. And we were almost out of these. I think some of the styles we were already out of. So we're going to replenish those. So if you've been looking for a specific one and we've been out, go ahead and buy them because we got 2 boxes of them. All right. Then we have the mesh squish ball. This we sold out in literally like 2.2 seconds on our store. This is super popular. So it's inside of a net. You squish it and it squishes out just like the other one. So that one's just got rainbow colors and a white net.
Are you pricing everything at the end?
Yes, I'll be pricing everything at the end of the video. So if you're curious how much are the mesh squish balls or the dinosaurs or the poppers, everything will be priced at the end of the video. And so, and it's already available online. Okay, what is this? Okay, this kind of came apart, this box. These are green frog squish balls. Oh, I'm going to open one. And then I'll rebag it. The box got a little messed up. They're just, ew, gross. Like a little bullfrog neck. It's so gross. It's so gross. You know what, though? If you love texture and want to fidget, they're amazing. So, there you go. Froggies. Got you some froggies. Here's the rest of it. Good thing we don't want to use the display box, huh? Ooh, more Among Us poppers, bubble poppers. I'm glad we got more of those. Those are amazing. Oh, so excited about these. These are so popular right now. And they're just fun to play with, even as an adult. Everybody needs some of those. Okay, these, I think we had sold out, if this is the same size box I think of. Yep. It's my super flash top. We had sold out of one of the colors. We were totally out of red, I believe. And now we have them back in stock. But these are really fun. I always have to play with them every time I unbox them because they're my favorite toy that we sell. So I need to open it all the way just so I can play with it. So we were out of the red ones over here, but this is what they do. So you take this little, this is kind of the launcher. You snap it on, you twist it, then you just press the button. Watch, it plays music. Then you just grab it to stop it. How cool is that? So now we have all of the colors back in stock. I'm trying to hide this thing here. There. Get it on right. What else we got in here? So much fun. Do you see why I love ordering from this wholesaler? Oh, okay. So this is... I'm going to move this guy over. I'm kind of running out of room here. There we go. That's going to make it easier. This is a box of flashlights. How many times have you been looking for a flashlight and can't find one? Well, we sell ours super duper cheap on Hooked on Pickin. But here we've got teal, green, purple, orange, pink, and yellow. And they're super bright. I'm not going to shine it into the... See how bright that is? All right, so we have those flashlights. What else we got in here? Looks like more flashlights. We have a couple different styles, so I'm going to see, are these a different style? Nope, these are the same ones. So we've got 2 boxes of those. All right, what else we got in here? This is a huge box. Ooh, this is really heavy, whatever it is. So remember, we're going to price everything at the end, and everything is available on hookedonpickin.com. What is... These are so cool. I love these. Okay, so there's gray ones, like kind of a, I call them a gunmetal gray because they're kind of a little bit of a darker gray. And then we have black ones. Watch what they do. Okay, ready? They're lanterns. You just pull them up. Very bright. Really cool. Kind of LED white light. Now watch. It's a campfire, everybody. So if you want kind of a subtle, soft campfire glow, you have both options with each one of these. And look how tiny they are. They're perfect. So those are really cool. And we have... Okay, if I can get this box out. What is this? Puffer yo-yos. These are really fun. Look at them.
Almost out.
So squishy. All right, they're basically this big long thing on them. They light up. There it goes. See it lit up in there? So you can squeeze them and it gets clear, and there's a light up ball in there. And then you do this. I'm sure much more talented than me because I'm ridiculous with a yo-yo. I couldn't even use a regular yo-yo when they were popular. So I am not a yo-yo user. So they have all these different colors. So you can pick whichever color you want. But we were almost sold out of those because those sold really fast. And what do we have here? I think this might be something new. This is not a traditional box size that I'm used to opening from this company. A lot of times I can know, oh, okay, it must be the replenishment for this or that just because I remember what it is. But, oh no, we have had these before. These are solar tiki lamps. So...
They sell out very fast.
Very fast. Like, most people buy the entire box. So you can hang them or you can set them. But they're solar powered and they just light up in the middle. And they're amazing. So, and we have them priced dirt cheap.
Right.
I think that's why. So we've got 1 box of those and a second box. So we got 2 boxes of those lanterns called small solar lanterns. All right. And then we're done with the big box. Now we have to find out what is in the small box. Usually I only get big boxes, so it makes me curious. Someone went a little tape crazy on this box. But it came secured. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness, I'm so glad we got more of these. Look at these. So many Among Us poppers. They're so humongous. Look at them, they're amazing. Oh, more mesh squish balls. Those white ones with the net. Those are cool. And what is this? We're going to have to dump this one out because there's no way I'm going to get it out. Maybe? There's a bunch of... It's an octopus attack! I didn't realize these were all on the bottom. So these are amazing because look. So really mad, sad, right? And here's the same one. and you flip him over, and he's happy. And so I told the story last time about a friend who bought these for all her coworkers so that they can show what mood they're in that day. So the cool thing is, though, I have these listed online. So like if you wanted to buy this particular one, it would be called the pink/blue octopus plush. Happy Sad Octopus plush is what I call it. And so you've got various different colors, like the mad red one, the happy purple one, you know. So they're just so soft and cute and adorable. So we had a little bit of an octopus avalanche here. So how fun is that? Now what's in this box? I was just trying to get this box out. Okay, now I have it upside down. Look, it's a white box. How exciting. All right, we're going to flip this over. And it is, oh, some more of the lanterns. Some more of those cool ones with the white light and the flickering flame. So, a bunch of those. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and price everything and come right back. Okay, we've got everything priced. You can go straight to hookedonpickin.com to buy everything, but let me show you what we have everything priced for. So we've got the gray and the black flickering lanterns, $6.99, where you just pull up on them. These are also flickering lanterns with LED bulbs in them. They're solar powered, $6.99 for the little tiki outdoor kind of lanterns. You can put them inside too. Then our huge 12-inch Among Us bubble popper, $8.99, rainbow colored, very pretty, nice. And then we have our fun Happy Sad Octopus, $6.99 for those, and you can pick your color. Then we also have our colored yo-yo light up balls, $1.49 for those, and you get to choose your color there. Same thing with the tops, choose your color, $2.99 for the music spinning tops, $2.99 for our neon rubber covered flashlights there, and so those are waterproof as well because the rubber, $2.99 there. Then we have our new addition. These are squishy froggies, and those are going to be $1.49 for our little green squishy froggies. Very good for sensory. Then we have our mesh balls and our different colored dinosaurs, and they're both $1.49. And the dinosaurs, you can choose your colors, and the mesh balls are all rainbow colored with the white netting. So you can find all these on hookedonpickin.com. Thanks so much for watching this unboxing, and hopefully you find some awesome things that we replenished and some of our newer items available to buy there at the store. So thanks so much, and remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you check out our goodies that we have for sale. We've got some new Jelly Bellies for sale, as well as some popcorn flavors and some Candy Club flavors that you have not yet seen. So check out our yummy things that we have. You can throw them in your cart and buy them. We'll ship them with all of your other fun items you buy at hookedonpickin.com. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you like and subscribe so that you can see all the fun unboxings we do all the time. Thanks.